My sabi person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you, how your side, how you day. I welcome you to Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Sunday, will be the first day of September 2024. Happy New Month too. Our topic today now, who gets you? And our Bible reading for today, it comes from the book of First John chapter 4, from verse 1 go to body enter 7. My friends, make una no believe everyone wey say na God spirit dey talk through am. Una must test am to know whether na God spirit e really get, because many fake prophets dey for dis world. Dis na how una go take know God spirit. If person believe say na Jesus be the Messiah wey come as human being, dat person get God spirit. But everybody wey no gree say Jesus na oga God, dat person spirit no come from God. Dat person na the Antichrist spirit wey una hear say dey come and e don already dey dis world. My children, una come from God and una don get victory over dis people, because dis person wey dey inside una e big pass the person wey dey the world. Dem come from dis world, so dem dey think like the people for dis world, and the people wey dey dis world dey lis ten to dem. We come from God, and the person wey know God dey lis ten to us. Person wey no know God no dey gree with us. Dis na how we take dey know the true spirit and the spirit wey dey deceive people. So my friends, make we love one another, because love come from God, and anybody wey love others na God pikin and e know God. Our memory verse for today na from First John chapter 4 verse 6. And we go read that together again. E talk say, we come from God, and the person wey know God dey lis ten to us, but person wey no know God no dey gree with us. Dis na how we take dey know the true spirit and the spirit wey dey deceive people. Make we enter today message. Abeg, my correct person, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. When you read Bible verses like 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 20, wey talk say, they don't buy you with a price, you begin to wonder, say, who buy me? Where dem for buy me? When I say I agree say make person buy me, wetin come make person buy me? This expression itself go let you know say every human being, whether they know am or not, e no matter how they feel about am, na spirit na get the person. Dem born everybody inside sin, Psalms 51 verse 5, and until they go become born again, they remain properties of the devil. Nobody really dey free. Every single person dey owned by one spirit or the other. The question now come be say, who come get me? You fit tell who get property by the way the property dem dey use am. Property dey show the true character and the personality of the owner. Dis na why inside Matthew chapter 7 from verse 18 go reach 20, e talk say, good tree no go fit bear bad fruit, and bad tree no go fit bear good fruit. Any tree wey no bear good fruit, dem go cut am down and come throw am away inside fire. So you go know the lie prophet with wetin dem dey do. If na Jesus Christ really get you, people go see the character of Jesus Christ, wey dem also dey call the fruit of the spirit, for inside you. Your life dey reflect love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, and temperance. Galatians chapter 5 verse 22 to 23 na list out all these fruit of the spirit dem. If all dis one no dey define who you be, then e dey sure say no be God na get you at all. Since na only two parts of spirit realm na dey, which is the kingdom of darkness and the kingdom of God, anybody wey be say no be God be owner, na devil be the person owner. Dis person go automatically dey do the works of the flesh, as Bible talk for inside Galatians chapter 5 for verse 19 go reach 21. When you read that passage, you go see say many people wey dey do these things no even know say dem dey act according to wetin their owner the devil talk. For example, many people no even know say jealousy na bad thing. Dem dey look am say na normal thing for human being to dey jealousy. Dem no know say jealousy go only stay inside their heart because no be dem get their self and no be the one wey be love himself get dem. The Bible tell us inside Romans chapter 6 verse 16 say, you no know say wetin you give your body to na im dey control you. If na sin, e go cause death, but if na God, e go make you live righteous life. When Jesus Christ become your owner, you no go dey behave in line with the character of the devil again. So surrender your life to am today if you never do that one now. Wetin we go reflect on today na be this. Based on the fruit of your character, who you go talk say na im really get you? Na here we take come to the end of the message today. Don't forget say our topic na who gets you? And na from the Open Heavens Daily Devotional wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, write, and there the message for come. And my correct person na on top Favours blog na you take receive the message this morning. Abeg, if you don subscribe, thank you, but if you never subscribe, help us like this video, subscribe to this channel. And make you touch that bell wey near am so that anytime wey be like say we drop video, you go be one of the first persons to know say e don happen for here. Una happy new month.